I think you're going to like the house I'm about to show you. It's tucked away down its own little close, which means no passing cars and no people walking past your house every 2 minutes, giving you lots of privacy. And you've got 2 dedicated parking spaces and a garage right here. Let's get inside, out the cold, and go and have a look around. Hey, come on in, and welcome to Barrowfield. So the current owners of this property have actually owned this from new. They bought it off plan in 2019 and finally moved in March 2020. Since then, they've had a family, they've got married, and they've made some real sensible upgrades to this property, making it not only beautiful, but also incredibly practical. Things like extending the EV charger so it reaches both cars, adding plugs to the outside so when you want to plug your Ninja grill in, you can, alongside your Ninja pizza oven. They've really thought it out. It's sensible, it's beautiful, and I can't wait to show you around, so let's get going. So on the ground floor, we've got a kitchen with a great little breakfast nook, a downstairs WC, and a gorgeous living room which leads out onto the garden where you can see that extended patio. You go and take a look around and I'll meet you upstairs because I've got something special I think you're gonna like. So come on, come up. We've gone straight to the second floor because you need to see this principal. It's just wow. And imagine coming home after a long day and getting to come up here and relax. It's got incredible built-in storage and your own ensuite. Wasn't that a great space? And I think you're going to be equally impressed down on the first floor as well. And down here we've got 3 bedrooms, 2 are currently set up as bedrooms and 1 as a study. So you could make your commute to that great principal space even shorter if you work from home. And we've got some amazing built-in storage as well as a family bathroom. Go and take a peek. So look at this great space. If it looks this good now, what is it going to look like in summer? And now you remember earlier I was talking about those practical upgrades and especially about sockets in the garden. We've got a couple here, well 4 actually, and then down the bottom of the garden, the owners have thought about it where they'd like to plug in, let's say heaters, lighting, all that kind of stuff can all be plugged in here as well. So just think, it's summer, you've got the heater on, the barbecue going, and you're chilling here with a nice big glass of wine, watching your family love life. So coming out of the garden up the side of the house, this is where your EV charger is. And remember I mentioned that they've had this extended so it can reach your cars, which would be parked right here, because these are your 2 parking spaces. And how great is that? Your front door's there. And then separately, you've got your garage, which is just this one to the left. Now, I'm not going to show you inside the garage because who needs to see inside someone's garage? So that was Barrowfield, and I really hope that you enjoyed looking around this great family home. If you'd like more information about this property or you'd like to book a viewing, head to our website eastaway.co.uk, where you can see the full property info along with floor plans, virtual tours, everything you need. And you can also click the book viewing button, which links to our live diary, so you can come and see this fabulous home yourself in person. I'll see you again soon.